Did you know that by 2026, over half of the SaaS tools businesses currently rely on could become obsolete? Sounds shocking, right? But this is not a distant future, it's happening right now, powered by rapid advancements in AI automation. Hi everyone, welcome back to DroidCrunch. I am Lokesh Kapoor, and today we are diving deep into the rise of AI automation. If you are running a business or leveraging SaaS tools, this video might just save you thousands of dollars and countless hours in long run. Stick around till the end because I will show you Ottokit, an innovative AI automation solution that is changing the game. Over the past decade, SaaS has exploded, helping businesses scale quickly and efficiently. Tools for CRM, email marketing, content creation, and workflow management have transformed productivity. However, this explosion comes with its downsides. Rising costs as businesses subscribe to multiple overlapping tools, complexity and confusion in managing diverse platforms, dependency on fragmented integrations. AI isn't just a trend, it is transformative force. By automating tasks that previously required multiple software subscriptions, AI is consolidating functions into fewer, smarter platforms. Here's why. AI offers unmatched efficiency by eliminating manual, repetitive tasks. It integrates seamlessly across different business processes, reducing the need for multiple subscriptions. AI continuously learns and adapts, providing personalized solutions at scale which traditional SaaS tools cannot match. Think about it. ChatGPT automates content generation, AI-driven CRMs predict customer behavior, reducing reliance on manual tracking. Platforms like Ottokit automate entire workflows from customer outreach to data management, replacing multiple separate SaaS tools with a single intuitive platform. This brings us to Ottokit, a robust AI-driven automation tool designed specifically for businesses looking to streamline their operations. Here's why Ottokit stands out. All-in-one platform. Ottokit integrates seamlessly across your business tools, automating processes like data entry, lead generation, and customer follow-ups. Ease of use. Even without technical expertise, you can set up complex automations quickly. Cost effective. By consolidating multiple SaaS subscriptions into one, Ottokit dramatically cuts down expenses. Scalability. Ottokit grows with your business, adapting to increased workloads and diverse tasks without additional overhead. Ottokit leverages intuitive workflows powered by AI. Simply define your process once and Ottokit handles the rest, predicting, managing, and executing tasks autonomously. Imagine setting up automated LinkedIn outreach, CRM data updates, email follow-ups, and analytics tracking, all under one intuitive dashboard. This isn't just convenient, it's revolutionary. Cost savings. Reduce your SaaS expenses by replacing multiple tools. Time efficiency. Free up your team's valuable time to focus on strategy and growth. Accuracy and reliability. AI reduces human error, enhancing reliability and data accuracy. Enhanced productivity. Streamline process for maximum operational efficiency. Are you ready to future-proof your business and step into the future of automation? Click the link in the description below to explore Ottokit. I have secured an exclusive deal for you for DroidCrunch viewers to help you kickstart your automation journey. If you found this video helpful or insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to DroidCrunch, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on groundbreaking insights. See you in the next video. Stay automated. Thanks for watching.